Hello, I'm going to introduce this vehicle solution from Dahua. So this solution encompasses this camera. It's an advanced dashboard camera. It has functions like AI detection, then it has GPS, supports 4G, it supports Wi-Fi, it also has a gyroscopic sensor. In addition to that, it supports 2 memory cards of up to 256 GB. So generally this is a standalone camera. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. In addition to this camera, I'm also going to show you this driver monitoring camera. So they work hand in hand. So the advanced driver assistant camera faces the highway or the road, and then the driver monitoring camera will face the driver and monitor things like drowsy driving, making phone calls while driving, dozing and all that. So this is the physical appearance on the image, and I'll show you how it looks. So this is the driver monitoring camera. So you'll see it has the embedded functions 4G, it can do recording, and also at any given time gives us real-time GPS. So it also supports Wi-Fi for the vehicle. Then we have this, the driver status monitoring camera. The image of this driver status monitoring camera is full-time infrared, so it's going to give you infrared images. Then I'm going to tell you that you can use this. It also can be connected with this panic button. Then with this kind of, in case of an emergency, you can press and then it will send an alarm to the platform. So which platform am I talking about? The platform is called Mobile Center. So this is the management interface of Mobile Center, where you can manage your vehicle devices, your users, events, and also recording. So I'll show you some of the functions you'll find on Mobile Center. Just give it a second. Okay, while Mobile Center functions are still loading, I'm going to show you the Mobile Center client. Actually, before I go, I'll go back to Mobile Center and show you all the functions. So we have device, users, organization, event, recording plan, and then also backup, adding to video wall, map. All these functionalities you can get on this platform, which you install in your server. So how Mobile Center works is you'll have your devices here. Then with these devices, this driver assistant camera is looking, this camera is looking at me right now, so it faces the highway. Then we have this secondary driver monitoring camera, which will keep giving us events based on the appearance and how they occur. If the driver is dozing, an alarm will be sent to headquarters and all that. So this is a sample mobile product. So on Mobile Center we can add as many devices based on the specification you require, and then we upload. So thank you for this, and in the event you have any requirements based on this product, then please feel free to let me know, and I'll be able to assist you to get a demonstration and also see how it works in real life. Thank you for your time.